In 2013, 3 radical black organizers, Alicia Garza, Patrisse Cullors, and Opal Tometi, created #Black Lives Matter in response to the acquittal of George Zimmerman in the Trayvon Martin death in Florida. Cullors stated, "My brother's abuse in jail is the reason I co-founded Black Lives Matter. We need reform in LA," which is where she was from growing up poor. She decided that she would get involved in what she perceived as a racial disparity in law enforcement, which actually did have some merit in a few cases. Even before the 2013 homicide case went to trial, the 3 openly admitted Marxist lesbians were trying to convict Zimmerman in the court of public opinion, ignoring open facts about the case. In essence, BLM was created based upon a lie, as self-defense was ruled by the jury. But another event would give them more fodder. On August 9, 2014, 18-year-old Michael Brown, a career criminal, was shot and killed by police officer Darren Wilson in Ferguson, Missouri, a suburb of St. Louis. And BLM, which has started to grow, used this event and created a false narrative about the event, creating the slogan, "Hands up, don't shoot." Both peaceful protests and violent riots continued for more than a week after the event in Ferguson, with police later establishing a curfew at night. BLM was supported by the mainstream media, already bent left politically. Just like in the Trayvon Martin case, they distorted facts and manipulated public opinion. The final investigation by the Ferguson and St. Louis police departments, 40 FBI agents, and attorneys from the Civil Rights Division from the United States Attorney's Office proved that the shooting by Officer Wilson was justified after Wilson answered a robbery call and then confronted Brown and his 22-year-old friend Dorian Johnson. BLM supporters refused to believe the results of the local, state, and federal investigation despite DNA evidence, autopsy report, and reliable eyewitness testimony proving that Brown reached in and struggled with Wilson over his firearm, and they had launched an attack against Wilson and his family. The autopsy on Brown proved that his arms were not raised when the 6 bullets struck after he came after Wilson, and the primary witness, Johnson, had fabricated the story.